Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the new trending effect called Peppery Filter effect on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this Peppery Filter effect on TikTok basically gives your video an aesthetic and a vintage look. If you use it on a face, it does not beautify the face, which has been quite popular with the TikTok users. So let me show you how to create the Peppery Filter trend video. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover and search for Peppery Filter. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now you can see how others have used this effect. If you don't see this filter in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. The effect will start right away and you can start recording your TikTok videos. As you can see, it does not change the face at all. It gives an aesthetic and a vintage look to your face. And there you go, that is how to use the Peppery Filter on TikTok to create your trend videos. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.